Hello mga amigas mga amigas! We have a package here and we're going to do a little unboxing. Somebody gave us this as we wanted to go back to what we do here in YouTube. We're going to start doing streams again. So, somebody bought us this. I know what is this already. But, tanaw na to siya. There we have it. Okay. No. Ano siya, It's a... What's this? It's a LED ring light with tripod, 12 inches. So, thank you ever so much sa nagbigay nito. Gagamitin natin to ngayon sa ating mga streams, live streams again sa Facebook and YouTube. Babalik na tayo sa ating YouTube channel. Kasi matagal-tagal tayong hindi nag-upload. At yung mga ina-upload natin doon ay pawang mga, ay nako, very sturdy naman. Very maganda, Very sturdy ang tripod. Okay. So, pag na-assemble na natin to, we'll let you know. Okay? Alright, so that's the tripod. Ano pa naman dito? Let's see. Dito tayo sa ating garden. Garden. No? Parang greenhouse lang ang drama. Ating life. Ayan ang ating ring lights. 12 inches. Medyo malaki-laki. And all the accessories. Andito yung mga accessories. Yung pang pwedeng desk lang siya. Ganyan. Ay, ito yung kanyang parang guide. And then we have the remote control. Ito yung gusto ko kasi I need remote control. Okay, another and another. So, once this is set up, pag na-set up natin to, we'll make sure that this is going to be presented to everybody. Bye!